Hello, everybody. Good morning. How are you today? I hope everybody's well, strong, healthy, and patient. And I want to welcome you to Tuesday Story Time from the Closter Public Library. Yay! Guess what we're doing? Oh, wait, I gave it away, didn't I? Yeah, the day the crayons quit. And it's a favorite. I know some of you out there have already read it, so you can help me with the story. See if you can find the things that the crayons are coloring and what they're upset about. And I figured before we get going, we should, maybe like do a little movement, relax a little bit. And I got some help. Mr. Pie, as you know, Mr. Pie is got a very filled up schedule, and he said he couldn't do it this morning, but yesterday we taped something about movement with him, and he said he'd be happy to stream it. So let's start with that. It's called the Wiggle Song. Let's see. There.
Hi there, we're going to try the Wiggle song, and this is Mr. Pie. He said he'd try and help, so let's do this, Mr. Pie, okay? Okay. I wiggle my fingers, I wiggle my toes, I wiggle my shoulders, I wiggle my nose, and when there's no more wiggles left in me, I sit down quietly.
Okay, that was Mr. Pie. He was good on his word. He said he was going to help, and he did. So thank you, Mr. Pie. Okay, he's sleeping as usual. So now, why don't we start with our story? Let's get ready. And there we go. This is the day the crayons quit. And it was written by Drew Daywalt, pictures by Oliver Jeffers, and it's published by Philomel Books, which is part of the Penguin Group. Okay. So, first, there we go. So, one day in class, Duncan went to take out his crayons and found a stack of letters with his name on them. Look at all these letters that Duncan got. And, oh, look, it's all red. And it starts out, "Hey, Duncan, it's me, Red Crayon. We need to talk. You make me work harder than any of your other crayons. All year long, I wear myself out coloring fire engines and apples and strawberries and everything else that's red. I even work on holidays. I have to color all the Santas at Christmas and all the hearts on Valentine's Day. I need a rest. Your overworked friend, Red Crayon." So look at this. Look at how many apples Red Crayon colored here on his letter that he gave Duncan. Let's see. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. And I think there's a strawberry. How many strawberries? They're small. Let's see if you can find them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think there's 6, but there could be more. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see what the next color said. "Dear Duncan, all right, listen. I love that I'm your favorite crayon for grapes and dragons and wizards and hats, but it makes me crazy that so much of the gorgeous color goes outside the lines. If you don't start coloring inside the lines soon, I'm going to completely lose it. You're very neat, friend, purple crayon. And we all know how that is, coloring outside the lines. We try our best. Sometimes it goes out, but that could be fun too. Maybe purple needs to relax a bit. Oh, what's this color? Dear Duncan, I'm tired of being called light brown or dark tan because I'm neither. I'm beige, and I'm proud. I'm also tired of being second place to Mr. Brown Crayon. It's not fair that Brown gets all the bears and ponies and puppies, while the only thing I get are turkey dinners, if I'm lucky, and wheat. And let's be honest, when was the last time you saw a kid excited about coloring wheat? Your beige friend, Beige Crayon. Aw. Oh, look at this. This is great, Crayon. Look at those animals. Can you name what those animals? I think there's a rhinoceros there with a horn. And who's in the middle? Is that a hippo? Yeah, you're right. It's a hippopotamus. And all the way in the back, that's a big gray elephant. That's a lot of gray. Okay, Gray Crayon says, Duncan. Gray Crayon here. You're killing me. I know you love elephants, and I know that elephants are gray, but that's a lot of space to color all by myself. And don't even get me started on the rhinos and hippos and humpback whales. You know how tired I am left handling all of those things? Such big animals. Oh, poor Gray, don't you feel bad for him? He wants a break. Maybe he should get a break. You're very tired, Gray Crayon friend. Oh, look at that. That's White Crayon. And White Crayon wrote on a black background. Isn't that interesting? Okay, let's see what White Crayon said. He said, Dear Duncan, you color with me, but why? Most of the time, I'm the same color as the page you're using me on. White. If I didn't have a black outline, you couldn't even know I was there. I'm not even in the rainbow. I'm only used to color snow or to fill in the empty space between other things, and it leaves me feeling, well, empty. You need to talk. Your empty friend, White Crayon. And what did White Crayon draw? Yes, drew a kitty cat. The White Cat in the Snow by Duncan. Oh, I guess Duncan drew that earlier. And the White Crayon's upset because the page is white, so you can't really see him. He's got a point. Okay. Oh, there's Black. Yeah, and look at what Black wants to do. He wants to color the rainbow too. And the dress and the shorts and the beach ball. Okay, let's see what he has to say. Hi, Duncan. I hate being used to draw the outline of things that are colored in the other colors, all of which think they're brighter than me. It's not fair when you use me to draw a nice beach ball and then fill it with the colors of the ball with all the other crayons. How about a black beach ball sometimes? Is that too much to ask? Your friend, Black Crayon. No, I guess not. Look, that black beach ball looks pretty cool. What do you think? Ooh, dinosaurs. That's the Green Crayon. Dear Duncan, as Green Crayon, I am writing for 2 reasons. One, to say that I like my work. Loads of crocodiles, trees, dinosaurs, and frogs. I have no problem with this and congratulate you on a very successful coloring things green career. As far as the second reason I write for this, friends, yellow crayons and orange crayons who are no longer speaking to each other, for crayons feel they should be the color of the sun. Please settle this soon because they're drinking up the rest of the crazy. Your happy friend, Green Crayon. Oh, so look, Green Crayon is trying to get Duncan to help with yellow and orange because they're fighting. They are out and out fighting. Okay, I hope he's successful. Oh, Yellow Crayon. And he wrote on a white piece of paper, and he wrote in yellow. Oh, this is going to be hard to read. Let's give it a try. Dear Duncan, Yellow Crayon here. I need to tell Orange Crayon that I am the color of the sun. I would tell him, but we're no longer speaking, and I can prove I'm the color of the sun too. Last Tuesday, you used me to color in the sun on your Happy Farm coloring book. In case you've forgotten, it's on page 7. You can't miss me. I'm shining down brilliantly on the field of yellow corn. Your pal and the true color of the sun, Yellow Crayon. Look at that. And does Orange Crayon look happy about this? No, he looks a little put out about this. He's not happy at all. Okay, here's Orange Crayon, and he says, Dear Duncan, I see Yellow Crayon already talked to you about the big whiner. Anyway, could you please tell Mr. Tattletale that he is not the color of the sun? I would, but we are no longer speaking. We both know I'm clearly the color of the sun because on Thursday you used me to color the sun on both the Monkey Island and the Meet the Zookeeper pages in your Day at the Zoo coloring book. Orange, you glad I'm here? Ha ha ha. Your pal and the real color of the sun, Orange Crayon. Oh boy, a lot of upset crayons. Ooh, and look at this. Dear Duncan, it's been great being your favorite color this past years and the year before and the year before that. I have really enjoyed all the oceans, lakes, rivers, raindrops, rain clouds, and color series. But the bad news is that I am sad and stubby. I can't even see over the railing of the crayon box anymore. I need a break. Your very stubby friend, Blue Crayon. Oh, he's been used too much, and he got really short and stubby. Poor little crayon. I think he's right. He does need a break, Duncan. Ooh, Pink Crayon. Duncan, okay, listen here, kid. You have not used me once in the past year. Is it because you think that I'm a girl's color? Isn't it? Speaking of which, please tell your little sister I said, think you can using me to color in Little Princess's coloring book. Oh, so his sister borrowed to color in her book. Now, back to us. Could you please use me sometimes to color the pink dinosaur or the pink monster? Oh, and the pink cowboy too. So Pink wants to spread out and color more things. And look, what do you think of that pink dinosaur? That's pretty cool. I like the monster better though. A pink monster is kind of funny. What do you think? Okay. Oh, dear Duncan. It's me, Peach Crayon. Why did you peel off my wrapping? Now I'm naked and I'm too embarrassed to leave the crayon box. I don't even have any underwear. How would you like to go to school naked? I need some clothes. Help! Your naked friend, Peach Crayon. Oh, poor Peach. That is embarrassing. So there are all the letters that Duncan had. And poor Duncan, he just wanted to do some coloring. So he took all the colors and he made a brand new drawing. And look, he used different colors. There's a pink dinosaur. Do you see it? And Santa Claus looks a little pink instead of red. And I think there's a purple frog. Can you find the purple frog? What else can you find? What about a rainbow? What color is the rainbow? Yes, it's black. Isn't that cool? Oh, and there's a whale, a big gray. No, it's not gray now. It's orange, a big orange whale. That's so cool. And there's a white cat in the middle of everything. Oh, and there's an orange sun, but there's a yellow sky. And there's a pink airplane. And what color is the crocodile? Yes, you got it. It's blue. Awesome. Oh, and so Duncan, let's go back. So when Duncan showed his teacher this new picture, she gave him an A for coloring and an A for creativity. Because you know what? It's A-okay to use different colors for different things. It's fun and it shows how creative you are. The end. So that's the day the crayons quit. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the story. It was fun, and I love seeing all the different colors being used in other ways. I hope you get a chance to do that too and do some coloring today. And I guess I'll see you for story time on Tuesday. Bye!